Welcome to One World Ham Radio. This is KJ7YDD. In this video, I will show you how to do screenshots of memory channels on MacBook Pro. It's a nice way to stay organized by keeping programmed frequencies readily available. Go ahead and open up the file that you would like to do screenshots of. I use FT3D Programmer. You can use Chirp or any other software of your choice. Go ahead and open up the file. Okay, this one has channels 1 through 30. To do screenshot, go ahead and hit Shift Command number 3, Shift Command 3 all at the same time. And here's a screenshot, shows up on the bottom right hand side of the corner. We will go ahead and rename them later. In the meantime, let's capture all the channels that we have. Next set is gonna be 31 through 60, it looks like. Make sure the cursor is away from the number so it doesn't block any channels. Shift Command number 3 to capture the screenshot, and here it is on the bottom right hand side of the corner. Go ahead and do that until you capture all the memory channels that you have. Just for the sake of this demonstration, I will go ahead and do 2 more because I have over 400 channels. So Shift Command 3 to capture the screenshot. Okay, 91. I'll do 1 more. Shift Command number 3. And when you're done capturing all the screenshots, go ahead and close the file. And here's your screenshots. You can print them one by one if it's just one-sided print, but I'm gonna go ahead and do double-sided because it's easier to have it in a binder and it just looks really nice and organized. So first I'll go ahead and rename them, open up the screenshot, hover over the name, click on arrow, and I like to name them by how many channels I have in the screenshot. So this one captured 1 through 30. Then I click return to save it, to rename it. Then I close it and go ahead and do that to the rest of the screenshots. Hover your cursor over the name, click on an arrow. This one is 31 through 60. I hit return and then it saves the new name, and I close the screenshot, open up the next one, 61 through 90, return, close, and 1 more here. Hover over the screenshot, hit the arrow. This one's 91 through 120. I click return and then it saves it. Okay, so now you can hit shift and click on every screenshot that you would like to select, or another way to do that is you deselect. Go ahead and click with on the touchpad, click with the mouse, drag the cursor. That's another way to select all. Now with 2 fingers, go ahead and click 1 time. It's the same thing as a right click on the mouse. Open with, preview, and here's a nice preview of what you will be printing all the pages. So if they're not in order, this one is in order 1 through 30, 31 through 60. But if yours come up like, let's say, not in order, you can go ahead and click and drag the screenshot to make sure they're in order, because if you're doing double-side print, the frequency, this one is going to be in front of this one, so you want to keep them in order, because then, okay, so go ahead and click File, Print, make sure your printer's selected over here. We're going to do double-side print, yes, so on for double-side. Let's do a landscape. There we go. And then you click on print. Go ahead and close the preview. And this is what it will look like. This is in my binder. They're all organized and printed. Hope this video is helpful. 73.